Hello students, welcome to our science class. Now let us start a new lesson from our term 2 book, lesson 9, birds. Kindly take your term 2 book children, science textbook, page number 1. What are birds children? Birds are animals. And how do these birds differ from other animals children? Because birds have wings and feathers, okay? Feathers are present all over the body of the bird children and wings help them to fly. Okay. Now let us learn about some of the important features of birds children. As you all know, birds have a body covered with feathers. So birds have wings that help them to fly and birds have beaks on their mouths. Okay children. Then birds live in nests. Now let us learn about some of the common birds around us children. First see hen. A hen lives on a farm. Next is duck. Ducks live in ponds and rivers. Next is eagle. An eagle is a strong bird that can fly high in the sky. A crow. A crow has black and shiny feathers. Next is parrot. A parrot is an attractive bird. Yes, no children? Do you know some parrots can imitate human voices children? Next is pigeon. Pigeons are intelligent birds. In olden days they were used as message carriers children. Next is peacock children. As you all know, a peacock has beautiful feathers and it is the national bird of India. Next is an owl children. Unlike other birds, owls are active during the night. Still now we were learning about some of the important features of birds and about some of the common birds around us children. Now let us learn about different types of beaks of birds children. Do all birds have same type of beaks? No. Different types of birds have different types of beaks. Yes, no children? First see broad flat beak. For this we can say ducks and swans as example. See the picture children. The beak of a duck is very broad and flat like a spoon and see in its beak there are two holes on either side. What for the two holes children? See when these birds find their food in water, they spoon up the muddy water along with their food. Okay, so the water and along with that mud flows out, that is oozes out through these holes in the beaks, leaving that insects, worms, fish, okay, then plants behind the beak. Okay. See, next is strong curved beak children. In the picture, you can view a parrot having strong curved beak. What for the beak of a parrot is like this curved children? Because its food is nuts or seeds. Okay. So, to crack open the nuts and seeds, the parrot has strong and curved beak. Okay. Can you understand children? Next type of beak is short, hard, pointed beak. In the picture, you can view a sparrow children. See how its beak is? It is very short, hard and pointed, So what for it is pointed means to pick up the seeds and worms easily and it can crush it with their beaks and eat. Okay. Even pigeons and peacocks also have similar types of beaks children. Next is long chisel-like beak children. How will you pronounce it? C-H-I-S-E-L, chisel. Okay. Chisel means sharp cutting edge. Okay. To make holes in trees. So woodpeckers have like this chisel-like beaks children because it makes holes in the trees, For what it makes holes in tree trunks children? In search of insects. Okay. It makes holes. So, with its long and sticky tongue, it pulls out the insects in the tree trunks and also worms from the holes to eat them. Okay. Next is long, broad, pointed beak children. In the picture, you can view the beak of a kingfisher children. See how it is long, broad and pointed, What for a kingfisher has like this beak children? Because it is used to pick up fish from the water. Okay. Next type of beak is sharp, hooked, strong beak, children. In the picture, you can view the beak of an eagle. Okay, eagles and hawks have like this only sharp, and see at the edge how it is hook shaped, no, and it is very strong. For what its beak is like this, children? Because the food of an eagle is that it eats rats, lizards, snake, frogs, rabbits, no, and even small birds. So it will be easy for it to tear the flesh of its food and eat. Okay, of its prey means food only, children. Prey, prey means food. Next is thin, long, pointed beak. In the picture you can view, children. See, it's the beak of hummingbird. See how it is very thin, long and pointed, no? They help to suck nectar from flowers, children. For that only a hummingbird has its beak like this, very thin and long and pointed. A hummingbird does not sit on a flower when feeding, children. Okay, it hovers, that is flies above the flower like a helicopter and dips its long beak into the flower and sucks nectar. Okay, can you understand, children? Still now we were learning about different types of beaks of birds, children, based on their food habits. Okay, now let us learn about the different types of feet of birds, children. This is based on the climbing of birds, protecting themselves, then holding their food, swimming and so on, children. Based on this only, birds have different types of feet. Okay. First, in this picture, you can view the feet of a sparrow, children. See how it is. The 3 toes are in front and 1 toe is at the back. Okay. Some birds have feet like this to hold branches or wires. Okay, children. So sparrow is an example of this type of feet. Okay, children, 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. Next in this picture you can see how is this feet, children. It is very long and thin, no? Yes, it is the feet of a crane. Okay, see how it is. It is very thin and long. Since it stays in water, it has long and thin feet that helps them to walk and water and swim also. And it also helps them to catch small water animals. Okay, children. Next, in this picture, you view the feet of the woodpecker, children. See, 2 toes are in the front and 2 toes at the back. Yes, children, you can view like this feet both in woodpecker and parrot, children. They have 2 toes in front and 2 toes at back, which are helpful in climbing trees. Can you understand, children? The next type of feet is powerful curved talons. Okay, children. See, talons, like this type of feet you can view in an eagle. Okay, eagle, vulture and hawk has talons like this to catch hold of their prey, that is food, firmly. So talons means what, children? It is a claw like to catch hold of its food very tightly. Okay. Next is webbed feet, children. In the picture you can view the webbed feet of a duck. See, in between the toes the skin is joined. Okay, that is called as web. So ducks and penguins have like this webbed feet to paddle through water. Okay, children. Next type of toe is 3 forward toes, children. See, birds like emu has 3 toes facing forward, children. These toes help them to run fast. Okay, children. And that's all for today's class, children. Thank you and stay safe, children.